Hello YouTube, hope you guys doing well. Well, in this video we are going to see about the serious issue in Dominar 400. For me it's quite serious problem because I just feel some vibrations in my tank, but in this 2018 edition they have fixed this issue, but for the previous batches they are finding alternatives for fixing this. Well, it's a easy process to fix the vibrations in the tank, and it's a lengthy process too because we need to remove the tank first. We should be very careful while removing the tank. I used some 3M tapes which will be available in the market. It's cost around like 200 rupees. Just stick them with the existing rubbers. There will be some space between the tank and the tank cover that causes the major vibes at 80 kmph or some general speed. So by sticking this we will just close those opens. Be careful while placing these rubbers at the same position. You just ask the shop like 3M thick tape, thick double tape. That will be the one for this. And just place the tank again. There don't be any vibrations. I'll just also recommend you to place some tape in between the center or bottom center of the tank, so that the vibrations can be fixed completely. So just screw the tank tightly. Thanks guys for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.